Hello everyone, welcome back to Deals with Lady P. Today's video is a DIY of some floating candles that I actually did for the Show Some Love collaboration hosted by Divadesigningonadime with Kimberly Davis. This is a link that just show you my DIY. Hope you enjoy. In this project, you're going to need a pitcher of water, flowers of your choice. I wanted to do some red roses and some white roses. So you could use any flowers for this project. And you're going to need some scissors. And you're going to need some bling wrap. You could buy this at Dollar Tree. I choose to get mine from Michael's because I wanted more on the roll, so you can use bling wrap. I have 2 Dollar Tree vases. I have some floating candles that I purchased at home for $4.99. I have my glue gun. I have my gems. I purchased 1 pack from Dollar Tree, and then I also purchased, which was really almost double for $1 from Family Dollar, and theirs had white in it, so I wanted some white in it, so I purchased 1 of those. I also have extra glue stick, and I cannot find I got some matches because I can't find the lighter, the candle lighter. And I also have these submersible LED lights that I purchased from Michael's for I think it was 40% off. They're actually $8.49. So that's all you need. I keep paper towel handy because I always need it for the glue. And so the first thing I'm going to do, I want to wrap some bling around the vase. So I want to do that. And you could decide what size you want it. I think I'm going to cut this in half. I think I don't want it. Yeah, I really can do the whole. I think I'm going to cut this in half though. I'm going to have at least this much bling around it. So this is the way I want mine, because I want the rocks to show too. So it's not actually half, but I'm going to cut that, and that's the first thing I'm going to do. You guys, you tell me if you like the one, but I think I choose this size. Yeah. So I'm going to take 3 rows off. Take 3 rows off. That is the first one. The first one that came out good. Stop right, perfect. So that's the first one. And then I'm gonna do this one. As soon as I get this glue off of my fingers. I'm not a DIY person, but I am trying to learn. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the second one. I'm gonna start over here. Let me see. Start over here. All down here. And put it on the edge. Okay. See, this is glue. I guess I'd be putting too much glue on it. That's why it's coming through on me. So. Okay, so that part is done. Came out so nice. This is the end. So that's the base. I'm gonna put that over there. Really don't think I'm gonna need the glue stick anymore. And so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these in. LED light, and I'm just gonna, these just turn, it has a little clip on it too, that if you want to clip it to something and use it. Still got glue on. Thank God it come off easy. And we just, they're not laying flat because of the piece here, so it's not laying flat. Get it to lay flat. Okay. There we go. There we go. You can get it to go flat. I'm going to work with this one again. Again, it do have a flat bottom to it. Okay. Okay, now it's flat. And I'm going to put the gems. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do, I should have cut these first, but I'm gonna cut these. And okay, I got the lights in, so now we're going to put the flowers in. And I had to cut them off camera because I didn't have my wire cuttings, I can't find them, and I was trying to cut them with scissors and it was very difficult, so I did it off camera. I'm just going to place some flowers in here, different spots. So here, put them as you want to put them. Sorry about that. I want my roses to stick up. And this one, I cut a little bit longer. Yeah, because the candle go here, so. And then I'll do this one. And then we're gonna go and put this one in. Stick that down in there. And then I'm gonna put this last one in. Kind of open up some of these petals. Got a little smashed. open up a little bit. And we're going to put this over here on the rocks. Look like that. So the next thing, so this is the way it looks now. It looks very pretty. You got your bling, and you got your rocks, and you got your light, and you got your petals, your rose petals. And this is the way it looks. And then the next thing I'm going to do is just pour my water in. So I have a pitcher of water here. And I'm just takes a lot of water, I guess, because this is a tall vase I got. They floating up a little bit. I'm gonna put it all the way up. I think that's good right there. Oh, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous. Let's do this one. I'm excited. You know, I told you I don't do too many DIYs, but I'm trying my best, and that's what it looks like. I'm trying to float. Let's stick him down in the rocks a little bit better. Okay. Looks gorgeous. I love it. Okay, you're gonna stay here. Okay. I'm gonna go all the way up to the rim. Not quite to the rim. Oh, that is gorgeous. This is what it looks like. With the roses in there. Floating. That is beautiful. With the light. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love it. It's beautiful with the light at the bottom. And got a little, I don't know what that is. Must be fun. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add a little candle in there. And I think that's going to be it. And I did find my lighter. And this is it. This is the finished product. I think it looks so gorgeous. It is beautiful. Let's see if I can hold it in front of it. It looks beautiful. I just love the way this turned out. I love the way this has turned out. It is gorgeous. That red and white is just so beautiful as you turn it around. I like those little petals in there too. Should have did that too over there, huh? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love it. That is it. That is the finished product. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join the Deals with Lady P family. And thanks you again for watching. Thank you for all your support. Be blessed to be a blessing, everyone. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.